Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Fundera for loan consulting for rental investors, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with Fundera for loan consulting as a rental investor, start by visiting the Fundera website. Once on the home page, locate the navigation bar at the top. Click on the Business Loans tab to explore available services. Next, look for the option that specifically mentions consulting or personalized assistance. Click on that link to learn more about how Fundera aids rental investors. Take a moment to review the information provided to ensure it aligns with your needs. After familiarizing yourself with their offerings, scroll down to find the contact options. You will typically see a Get Started button. Click on it to proceed. Fill out the initial questionnaire accurately, detailing your rental investing goals. Make sure to include your financial history to help Fundera understand your situation better. Once you've completed the form, submit it and wait for a confirmation email. This email will contain details about the next steps in the consulting process. Keep an eye on your inbox for communication from a Fundera consultant. When you receive a response, schedule a consultation at a time that works for you. During the consultation, discuss your specific needs and any challenges you are facing. Be open and ask questions to ensure you understand the loan options available. After the consultation, review the proposals and insights from your advisor. If you decide to move forward, follow their guidance for the application process. Gather any necessary documents they recommend for a smooth application. Finally, stay in touch with your consultant as you proceed to secure your loan. By following these steps, you'll connect effectively with Fundera for your rental investment needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.